Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy
birthday, Tita Lori.
We miss you.
We hope to see you soon.
Advance Merry Christmas to everyone.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi tita, happy birthday. Thank you for everything po tita. Enjoy your day po. Stay healthy po. God bless po. See you soon po tita. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lori. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lori. We love you. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.
Ate Lori, happy birthday. Hi.
Happy birthday.
Lagi kang mag-ingat sa katawan mo at maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo din at lagi ingatan ang iyong katawan, lagi mag-iingat kay ni Kuya Bricks. Nakiti. God bless you. Sana sa susunod sa birthday mo magkakasama tayo. Ne. Ate Lori.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Lori, we pray that you will be blessed by our loving God with good health and a joyful heart.
My dear sister Lori, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come in good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Lori.
birthday, Lori.
God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, ate. Otanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. Happy birthday, Ate Lori. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko para sa iyo, I'm praying to God na magkaroon ka ng healthy na katawan, gumaling ang iyong sakit at pati si Kuya Bricks at magkaroon pa kayong dalawa ni Kuya Bricks ng madaming birthday. And thank you sa iyo Ate Lori and kay Kuya Bricks for everything. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Love you.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Lori. We are sending you birthday greetings from Albany. We wish you good health and blessings on your birthday. I hope that you're enjoying your vacation in the Philippines. Please say our regards. Please send our regards to the family there. We love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,